and welcome back to our part 2 video, children. As you all know that today we are doing English literature, and this is our English literature online period, and we have started with our chapter number 5, new chapter, that is the happy field. So you all know that we have started this chapter from Monday, and on Monday I gave you to write I gave you half explanation, and in the second video I gave you hard words to write. So I hope you all have completed all the 12 hard words in your notebooks. And then yesterday on Tuesday I gave you word meanings to write, and there were 11 word meanings, and I hope you all have completed those word meanings also in your notebooks, English literature notebooks. And now today I am going to give you one more exercise, that is of fill in the blank. So I hope you all have done your previous work in your English literature notebooks, and you all are ready with your English literature notebooks on your table. Now, first of all, take out your English literature notebook and turn to a new page. As you all know that whenever we start with a new topic or a new exercise, we start it from a new page. Okay, so first of all, what you will do, you will write down today's date, that is 11/8/2021. Okay, then children, before starting with our today's exercise of fill in the blanks, I want to show you the previous work which we have done. First of all, I told you to write hard words, which was the first assignment of this chapter, and there were 12 hard words which you all have to complete. I hope you all have done it in your notebooks. Then the second part was which I gave you yesterday, which was of word meanings, and in all there were 11 word meanings, as you can see here. So I hope you all have completed all these 11 word meanings in your notebooks. And now today we are going to do part B, fill in the blanks. So I hope you all are ready, and make sure, children, those who have not completed your yesterday's work, please, children, it's my humble request to complete all your work on time so that you can start your new work on time. Okay, so write down today's date, that is 11/8/2021. Then give the heading chapter number 5, the happy field. Part B, fill in the blanks. Okay, you will write in the second line, and from the third line you will start writing the fill in the blanks. Okay, so as you all know that in fill in the blanks I give you sentences with blanks in it, and you have to read the sentence, you have to understand it, and you have to write the answers in the blanks. Okay, so first of all I will explain you the sentences with answers, and then make sure when you will be doing in your notebooks you will write answers on your own. Okay, so the first sentence is, listen to me very carefully. The field decided to grow a dash. Field ने क्या decide किया था अपने अंदर grow करने के लिए? A hump. Okay. So field ने क्या, field तो बिल्कुल flat और plain थी, तो उसने क्या decide किया? डल थी, तो उसने decide किया कि मुझे अपने अंदर कुछ changes लाने पड़ेंगे, और वो change क्या था? It decided to grow a hump. Okay. So here we will write HUMP, hump. Okay, now coming to the second sentence. As a hump came up in one part, in the other part a dash appeared. Hump एक पार्ट में, जैसे ही as a hump came up in one part, जैसे ही one part मतलब एक पार्ट में, फील्ड के एक पार्ट में जब hump ने ग्रू किया, तो अदर पार्ट में क्या दिखने लगा? क्या अपीयर हो गया? हॉलो, क्योंकि एक साइड जब ज़मीन उठ गई तो जो उसकी ऑपोजिट साइड की, अदर साइड की जो ज़मीन थी वो धंस गई और उसमें हॉलो बन गया. ओके, सो हियर योर आंसर विल बी HOLLOW, hollow. Is that clear? As a hump came up in one part, in the other part a hollow appeared. Now coming to the third sentence, the field dash his new friends. Now when the hump grew in the field, and on the other side a hollow appeared, and in that hollow rainwater was poured, okay, from the clouds, and it became a lake, and in that lake geese and ducks also landed, and they started playing in that lake. So while watching all these activities in interesting activities in the field loved his new friends. What were all these? Geese, ducks, cows, they were all friends of new friends of the field. So he started loving them. The field loved his new friends. So your answer is loved, loved. Is that clear? Now coming to the next part, that is the fourth sentence. The flowers brought pretty dash. अब जहाँ पे flowers होंगे वहाँ पे कौन आएंगे? Pretty butterflies. So the flowers brought pretty butterflies. So your answer is butter, butter, flies, flies, butterflies. The flowers brought pretty butterflies. Now coming to the fifth sentence, the bees took the dash from the flowers. Bees ने flowers में से क्या ले लिया? Nectar. Very good. And why they took the nectar? To make sweet honey from that nectar. So the bees took the dash from the flowers. Flowers में से क्या लिया? nectar, nectar. Is that clear? The bees took the nectar from the flowers. Now coming to the sixth part, the bees made sweet dash from the nectar. Bees ने क्या चीज़ बनाया nectar से? Sweet honey. So what is the spelling of honey? HONEY, honey. The bees made sweet honey from the nectar. So that is all for today, children. I hope all these 6 fill in the blanks are clear to you all. Once again I am repeating the 6 fill in the blanks. Listen to it carefully. First of all, you will write down today's date. Then in the first line you will write down the chapter name with its number. Then in the third line you will write down part B, fill in the blanks, and then you will start from the third line, sentence number 1. So the field decided to grow a dash. Your answer is hump, H-U-M-P, hump. Second is, as a hump came up in one part, in the other part a dash appeared, and the answer is hollow, H-O-L-L-O-W, hollow. Then the third one, the field dash his new friends, and the answer is loved, L-O-V-E-D, loved. Coming to the fourth sentence, the flowers brought pretty dash, and the answer is butterflies, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, F-L-I-E-S, flies, butterflies. The next is fifth one, the bees took the dash from the flowers, and the answer is nectar, N-E-C-T-A-R, nectar. Coming to the sixth one, the bees made sweet dash from the nectar. So the answer is honey, H-O-N-E-Y, honey. So by this we complete with our exercise part B, which is of fill in the blanks, children. I hope you all have understood. So now it's time for me to leave, and I want you to complete this exercise very nicely in your English literature notebooks by today itself. Okay, and from tomorrow we are going to start with our English language work. Okay, so till then, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.